Hi there, I'm Sarah. Thanks for choosing Vego Garden. Our goal is to provide you with the best quality products and the best customer service. Because of the weight of our packages, sometimes the panels become bent during transit if the shipping carrier is a little too rough on the boxes. But not to worry. Today, we're going to show you an easy way to bend the panels back into shape so that you can get back to your gardening project without delay. Our panels are manufactured from flat steel coils and bent into the corrugated shape that you know and love. In other words, they're designed to be bent safely. Areas in the panel that become bent during transit will not affect the corrosion resistance, nor will bending the panels back into shape. It may be hard to bend all of the panels at one time, but if you separate them and bend them one by one, it's much easier. Let me show you. See? Just like that. If I can do it, I'm sure you can too. Once the bed is fully assembled, you can place the edge that was bent down into the ground, or you can place it on top and cover any inconsistencies in the metal with a heavy-duty protective rubber edging. This way, you won't even notice which edge was bent to begin with. We hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and happy gardening.